He's passing out over there.
So like I said, today I just made a simple brown sugar simple syrup, and you can make a simple syrup out of pretty much anything sweet. Add some water and maybe some spices, but this one had about, I didn't actually measure, but I'd say about a cup packed brown sugar with probably a cup and a half to 2 cups of water and a dash of salt.
Let's find out. Yep, it's great. I think it needs more mint, though.
Would you like it to be sweeter?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Nice smooth drink, huh?
It's very smooth.
I'll do some donations while you recover.
I'm going to make myself one.
All right, and thanks to everyone who's... Hang on.
Whoa.
I gotta compose myself. All right, thanks to everyone who's donated so far. Keltoid5, thank you.
Thank you, Keltos.
Thank you. What is happening here? It's not that strong, is it? I tried it.
Me and my vocal cords were ready for it.
I tried
It startled them, okay?
For you folks at home, don't be afraid to try this wonderful drink.